ready? You ready?
All right, here we go, round one. Dustin Poirier, Conor McGregor. First meeting was back at UFC 178 in September of 2014. It lasted less than 2 minutes. Since your guy Poirier has won 9 fights in the UFC Interim Lightweight Championship. All he wants, though, is to get another crack at the notorious Conor McGregor. Oh! Huge right hand! Exchanging leather early. Oh! He's out!
He got him!
Yeah, we're just getting going, and now the fight's over, but excellent striking technique to land that shot and ultimately finish the fight here in the first. You've heard us say it before, but sometimes when you catch a guy cold before he's had a chance to get going in the fight, it can have a bigger effect.